Are you ready to leverage the powerful tools of the TrustedParts.com distributor portal to reach more customers and scale your business? Let's take a quick look at some of the valuable features crafted specifically for the benefit of our participating distributors. The Manufacturer Authorizations Report allows distributors to view which manufacturers they are authorized for. Here, you can also submit proof of authorization for additional manufacturers. In the Manufacturer Name Mapping section, you can map the manufacturer names in their feed to TrustedParts.com manufacturer names. You can also request that new manufacturers be added to the TrustedParts.com system. Refer to the Participation Status section to view information regarding your participation level and import file size limit. Distributors that have set up an API for real-time searching can evaluate API performance and obtain other related business metrics. Distributors can use the portal to review the import history of inventory files and check the file feed status. You can even upload a part feed to TrustedParts.com. In the Other Links and Reports section, you can download analytics reports that include search and click activity for a selected time range. The TrustedParts.com distributor portal is full of valuable features that can help you increase your sales and reach more customers than ever before. For more details about any of these powerful features, please visit TrustedParts.com/docs.